HR team of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, leading HR automation transformation. I'm working here since 5 years as an AVP. Unova was one of the platforms that we chose after exploring a lot of other HR platforms. And the reason was because we wanted an HR platform which is for people. We did not want a platform which is HR oriented, that is by HR for HR. It should have been a people-centric approach, a people-centric system. So when we met Unova in June 2024, that is exactly 3 months back, we decided that this is it. This is what we wanted. And last 3 months, the implementation, the process understanding, the team support, it has been very seamless. That the experience that I have today, I'm sure the experience of employees after 2 months is going to be the same. And thank you so much, Unova team, for being there. So any additional features, as far as I know, right now I can see that system has everything. So as of now, I don't see that there is something which I would want. But I'm sure after some point of time, there will be something which is coming in the world, just like the automation that comes, just like many technologies that are coming in. So after some time, I'm sure that there will be things. But before, at least I know the confidence that I have on Unova team is before I could say and think about it, you guys will do it already. So I'm sure you would be doing the best that is required for all of us, not just for Cadila, but all the clients that you work with. I'll give it with a live example. So when we actually launched our system today, within 10 minutes, while we were actually showing the system to everyone, people had not even seen and yet started uploading their photos without knowing what is there in the system, without knowing what is the system is going to offer. Yet, because it was so super user-friendly, that people actually logged in and started doing what the system has to explore. Now, that's the user-friendliness that we were looking for. Excitement, it was nervousness, it was everything. It was a lot of emotions. So, just like you prepare for your board exams, you know that, okay, you have to prepare well. Only then you will be able to clear it. So it was just like that. We were excited because I saw the platform and I wanted that experience to be there for everyone. So it was all perfect in every way. So at the time of implementation, my experience was very good. So it was very seamless. It was very fortunate. It was a very committed team that I would say that the team was very commendable in terms of their dedication. The team was commendable in terms of their knowledge. The team was commendable in terms of taking the feedback as well. So the best feature, I believe, for any HR professional is bringing the people on the software or bringing the people on the platform. Now, because of the internet feature that Unova has, we are sure that not just for the information that we would want to employees to go through, but they would want to connect on the platform for being there for each other, being there with each other as well. And that's one of the features which will keep people engaged to log in and actually go through the system. So that's one of the best features that I think.